Installing the magnetic safety lock is simple. Clean and dry the inside of the cabinet door and the cabinet frame. First, insert the lock into the cradle. Attach the latch. Peel off the top adhesive sticker and stick the latch under the cabinet's top frame so it's flush with the front edge and will touch the cabinet door when closed. Remove the second adhesive sticker. Close and reopen the cabinet door to secure the lock in place. Take off the cradle and push the lock tab down to activate lock mode, or flip the tab up to keep it unlocked. Place a sticker over the latch area to mark its location. Hover the magnet near the sticker to unlock and open the cabinet.